Today we will be viewing images of abstract or non-representational art. Sonia and Robert Delaunay were a married couple who co-founded Orphism, a form of abstract art that paired vibrant colors with geometric shapes. In addition to being a painter, Sonia Delaunay was also a fashion designer. Vasily Kandinsky believed in the ability of colors and shapes to represent sounds and emotions in his abstract paintings. He painted concentric circles as a study or sketch to understand the impact of one color upon another. Today we will be designing concentric circle t-shirts. You will need a copy of the t-shirt outline, a pencil, an eraser, a ruler, and small circles to trace, such as container lids. You will also need tools to add color to your drawing, such as markers, crayons, colored pencils, or paint. You will begin by using your plastic lids or other small circles to trace concentric circles on your t-shirt. Concentric circles are circles that fit inside each other. I started by tracing my largest circles first, because working from largest to smallest enabled me to see what I was doing and line up my circles more evenly. I used my ruler to draw some straight lines through some of the circles. Then it was time to add some color. Like Vasily Kandinsky and the Delaunays, I wanted to explore how colors would look next to each other. I began by using complementary colors, which are colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. Next, I tried different placements of warm and cool colors. I erased some pencil lines and added others as I saw fit. I created balance in my design by repeating the color combination that's on the lower left circle up on the circle that's on the upper right near the shoulder. For the 3 remaining concentric circles, I again used complementary colors. I looked at the surrounding circles to determine where to place my colors. You can leave the background white, or you can color it in. I used a black crayon to lightly color the background of one of my concentric circle t-shirt samples. The work mat I used had a light texture to it, which made the grayish background of my t-shirt look like t-shirt fabric. Another option is to outline your colors. If you choose to do this, you will need to use something that will not bleed, such as a permanent ink marker, like a Sharpie. I hope you enjoy this assignment. Please take a photo of your finished t-shirt and attach it in Google Classroom. It would also be nice to receive a note in Google Classroom letting me know why you chose the color combinations that you did.